Hello everyone. In this video lecture, we will learn calibration of microscope at different magnification level. We will use standard magnification, calibration slide for calibrating microscope. This is standard calibration slide provided by manufacturer. It is a simply glass slide, but 1 millimeter division engraved on the glass by etching. We will use this slide as a specimen. We will adjust focal length for specific magnification. In this middle circle, one line is available, small division, and it is 1 millimeter. And 100 division also engraved in this slide by using etching. Each large division have 100 micron value and one small division have 10 micron value. So entire length of this scale is 1000 micrometer. We will place this slide on the stage similar way like specimen. We have to place this small 1 millimeter division exact below the light source, because it is only 1 millimeter and slightly difficult to adjust light source on the division. Suppose it is specimen, then we have large area available for focusing. First we will adjust stage height, and when this division is visible, then we will adjust division exact vertically. This division remain vertical in our image. So we can draw straight line for measurement purpose. Still it is slightly inclined with vertical. So again we will adjust this division exact vertical. Right now it is okay. So now we will use fine tuning knob for exact resolution. It may be some blurring also possible if it is not exactly adjusted on the focal position. Now it is clear resolution, and we have stopped this image capturing. This is continuously available video. We are not moving slide as well as not moving camera, so it remains steady, otherwise it is continuously playing video. We can capture by this capture tool, and we can record by record tool. Two tools are provided. This capture image is available at bottom of this image capturing. This is scale tool. We can calibrate by using this scale tool. Auto analysis provide pixel unit in pixel, and manual measurement we can add manual measurement from this scale which is available in our image. We can assign any name to this scale name. We are using 100x magnification right now, so we can give name 100x. Actual length we will select on the scale. This division available on our image, we will select actual length and we will assign this value in actual length box. We will select micrometer scale, micron scale. So mu m selected. Select manual measurement and pick up any division on the image. Click on division and remain continue and drag this line up to next division. We can select any division between these two extension line, but distance between two division must be known. Here we have selected 4 large division, and each division have value of 100 micrometer. So we will assign 400 micrometer value by manually. Then save this calibration. Now for 100x calibration we can use this scale and it will measure in micrometer. Select this 100x and OK, apply OK. Then and then we can use this scaling. If we will cancel, then this scale will be not selected. Draw a line which will measure dimension between number of division. We can pick up line by menu bar directly or toolbar. We will draw line and we can verify distance between selected division. We can again select same selected line and we can change the length of the line. We can delete it by selecting. We have not selected scale, so double click on 100x scale and again draw a line. Selection of the scale is compulsory, otherwise this will measure in pixel. Default measurement is in pixel. So whenever we are using measurement on our microstructure image, we have to select a scale which was previously calibrated for specific magnification. Right now we are measuring a distance for 100x magnification. So we have selected 100x scale. So right now it is in micrometer unit. Slightly calibration of the mouse also required. So movement of the mouse will we can restrict during this scaling. Otherwise what happening, we are moving slightly our mouse, but it is moving fast in our screen. Cursor move fast, so we cannot pick up exact location of our endpoint. So calibration of mouse is also important during this scaling. Line must be straight. We can observe straightness of line similar way in AutoCAD. So we can verify this distance here, and we can write or measure distance in any image. We can stop this continue video by stop button. Now we will change magnification 200x, 20x objective and 10x eyepiece. Same way we will adjust focal length and same scale will be magnified. We will move our table up and down for focal adjustment. Now some texture available, so we are near to our focal position. So move this stage horizontally on X or Y direction. Now one division is available. So we will move this on right side and entire screen is covered with the scale. Now we have focus light on the scale by using movement of the stage. we will use fine tuning knob for exact resolution. Simultaneously, we will adjust all division vertically. You can observe in the screen slightly blurring and high resolution division. Now it is clearly visible. Again we will apply same procedure. Select scale tool, measure some distance, known distance, and assign value of this distance. Here you can see in previous case we have measured 4 large division, but here in 200 magnification only 2 large division is visible. So it is magnified more. Almost it is double magnified. Write down 200x. We will measure actual length. Assign unit in micrometer instead of pixel, px. And then apply manual measurement. Select maximum division during measurement so it can reduce the error. Here we have selected 2 large division and distance between 2 division is 200 micrometer. So actual length we will assign 200 micrometer. Save this and then apply. Double click on 200x or single click and OK. Draw a line for any division and verify the distance between these selected 2 divisions. Cursor moving fast, so we cannot pick up exact position. Suppose we want middle of this division. It may be going outside or it may be going other side. It will depend on the calibration of mouse. Right now we are demonstrating. We can zoom entire image and we can see the exact position of line and scale or measurement available in micrometer. We can readjust position by simple clicking the line. We can remove also. You can see the green line covering the red line. So this indicates that the line is selected. This is hand tool. We can move image for specific reading. This is select tool. Normally it is default tool. We can save image at specific folder. This is my folder, test structure. So when we are capturing image, it is available at bottom of this image. Again, magnification change, fine tuning apply for magnification and resolution of division. Now we can say in 400x, only one large division available. 100 micron only visible. You can see magnification on the line thickness of the scale. Once we calibrate all magnification, then it is not required every time. It will be preserved in system and we can apply directly. So this is first time exercise. When we are using software first time, this is first time activity. Then same calibration can be used in actual microstructure measurement. This distance is 100 micrometer. Here magnification is higher, so line thickness is also higher. We can easily pick up midpoint. We can start line and end line at any edge also, left side or right side. This is last magnification, 600x. Simultaneously I am showing you the adjustment required in the stage. Now you can see only 50 micron is available. Half of the large division is available. You can see it is a not two division are not parallel. It means it is a half of the large division. But it is difficult to measure 100 micron, so we will measure 50 micron. Okay, this is blurring due to the adjustment of the fine tuning knob. Same way, capture image, apply scaling. You can see here the extension line is not properly aligned with division of the scale. So we can delete this. It is not necessary that we have to accept it. Or cancel this. No exit scale specified. You can apply same procedure again because 600 not save. Remember here you have to click starting point, hold click button and then drag. Once you left the click button, then again you have to select manual measure. Then and then you can draw line or you can measure distance between two divisions. Here it is 50 micrometer value. So all calibration is now available. We will verify some measurement going above 50 or less than 50 is error of our pointer selection on the position of the division. Now we will observe one specimen. It is medium carbon steel and case hardened. Case hardening apply on the surface of the specimen. Medium carbon steel. .400 magnification apply. 400x magnification apply for this microstructure. Here the area of the specimen is very large as compared to division available on the slide. So right now I am moving horizontal movement by using horizontal movement knob. I am going to pick up a edge where case hardening apply. External surface where case hardening applies, so external surface will be changed due to heat treatment. This is core. This is edge. Here this black spot is external surface of the specimen. Hardening apply on this region only, small thickness. It is less than 1 millimeter, so it is in micron. So case hardening, case remain as it is. It is not affected by heat treatment, but the external surface up to some micrometer it is affected. Heating and quenching applied during case hardening. So this is totally black region available. Carbon will be distributed entire with iron particle. Suppose it is a carburizing process or nitriding, then some other alloying element will be enter on the surface. So different phase is visible on the surface. Now we have changed the magnification lower from previous case. Here we will see the application of this scaling. We will draw a line, small line at any corner. Almost it is available on right bottom corner. There is no rules for drawing any line length. whatever may be the line length, it will indicate the entire image size. Suppose here it is available in pixel, we have not selected scale. It is available in pixel. So we will select first scale 400x. Then we will draw again same line, but the previous pixel unit will be converted. Already it is converted into micrometer. So small line at bottom right corner, not covering the image of the structure, but it indicates that this much of length have this much of distance. So we can imagine entire area of the specimen, and that imagination indicates the magnification applied. So sometimes third party can understand the magnification level applied. We can draw we have number of drawing tools. Suppose I am drawing this circle and placing on the face which is available in black spot. So we can find the area of this black spot. We can draw rectangular or hexagonal or elliptical shape. We can draw a discontinuous or irregular line. We can draw a line with any angle. We can draw line perpendicular to other previously drawn line. We can draw line with extension line. All drawing are indicating measurement value. So we can measure some region of different face. We can select individually or we can select all for deleting. We can delete individually or all. I am changing brightness by using microscope light source. We can change light intensity by one switch provided in microscope, and we can change brightness by using image processing tool available in this software. This is stop and play button. This is capture button, exit near recording button. Image processing tool have some image control tool. We will check brightness tool. We can change brightness of our image captured in microscope. Other tools also available for changing some other picture quality. Setting tool apply. Setting tool will apply for change in the line color, line types, line width, some video setting, report setting. This software generate report also. Scale tool is for scaling purpose. This is drawing tool. All it is available in menu bar and it is available in toolbar. And this is exit tool available in menu bar also and in toolbar also. So we can exit from this cross exit button also.